Our school, our other home. The primary school, Koczo Racin, Prilep, is located in the municipality of Prilep, North Macedonia. In our school, there are students from 1st to 9th grade, students from age 6 to 14. The name of our school is in honor of a Macedonian poet and revolutionary, Koczo Racin. Every year, traditionally, we acknowledge and celebrate our patron, remembering the battle for freedom and equality. Our mission is to develop an awareness for our rights and responsibilities, awareness for ecology, democracy, multiculturalism, and inclusivity. For all that our school is a part and organizer of different activities and events, such as the Open Day of Democracy, the Ecology Project, Project of Interethnic Integration of Young People in Education, Erasmus+, etc. A competitive spirit, innovation, creativity. These are symbols of the primary school Koczo Racin. For the work of our students and teachers of our school, the proof of success is the numerous awards and the impressive accomplishments. And the awards make us feel proud and they are a motivation for further success in the future. So we would like to share some of our recent awards and accomplishments.